Ever found yourself needing something now, but your paycheck is still days away? You're not alone. We all face those unexpected expenses, a car repair, a sudden medical bill, or maybe just that irresistible sale you can't pass up. Enter Beforepay, a service that aims to bridge the gap between paychecks. But can you use Beforepay with your trusty PayPal account? Let's dive in. Beforepay is essentially an earned wage access (EWA) platform. It allows you to access a portion of your already earned wages before your official payday. This can be a lifesaver in a pinch, helping you avoid late fees, overdraft charges, and the stress of financial shortfalls. Now, when it comes to payment methods, flexibility is key. Many of us rely on PayPal for its convenience and wide acceptance. So, the question is, can you seamlessly link your PayPal account to Beforepay and use it for these early wage advances? Unfortunately, the answer is not straightforward. Beforepay primarily focuses on direct deposit integration. This means you'll typically need to connect your bank account directly to the Beforepay platform. However, there might be some workarounds depending on Beforepay's specific policies and any updates they've implemented. Check Beforepay's website and app. The most reliable source of information is always the official Beforepay website or app. They should clearly outline their supported payment methods. Look for any mentions of PayPal integration or alternative options. Contact Beforepay support. If you can't find the information you need on their platform, reach out to their customer support team. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information on payment methods and any potential limitations. Exploring alternatives. Even if PayPal isn't directly supported, remember that Beforepay likely offers other withdrawal options. These could include direct deposit to your bank account. This is usually the most common and fastest method. Debit card. Some EWA platforms provide a debit card linked to your earned wages, allowing you to withdraw cash or make purchases. Other digital wallets. Explore if Beforepay supports other popular digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Cash App. While direct PayPal integration might not be available with Beforepay, don't let that deter you from exploring their services. Remember to always check their official channels for the latest information on supported payment methods and any potential limitations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.